Let's go twerk some. Real niggas in here 9 we blow a lot of money. Don't be shy, take what your mama gave. They swinging from the ceiling in here, it's like a big cave. Something so lay limber. She's nimble, gangster with it, butt naked, Earl Flynn. I'ma get a few more shots and drinking. She'll get freaky and even kiss women. I see you let it show off. Hot like Molotov cocktail and high heels. Maybe she won't, but again, maybe she will. Let me bang, bang, bang like Craig Daddy. It's Friday, I just might give her a jackhammer and bang, bang, bang like Craig Daddy. She dancing, touching herself, bet it's a wonderful feel. No booty shot in the hip, them ain't no collagen lips. Bustin' wide open for tips, shorty be all about chips. Belly roll back, flip, show me what you're working with. I'ma keep it straight 100 with no fun. Okay. Cause your back rack up yards without the blocker. Let me see your work then. Look what I can do. Look what I can do. Wiggle for me, let me see which one of y'all gon' get the loot. Look what I can do. Look what I can do. Go on, get it, girl. Get it like you want it. Look what I can do. Look what I can do. Make me think it ain't about the money, but you're horny. Look what I can do. Look what I can do. Go on, get it, girl. Get it like you want it. Make me think it ain't about the money, but you're horny. Grinding on my left, slide across my knee. Away, the one-eyed monster can't sleep, but that ain't the mag.
What's up, YouTube? Also, check out my boy. My boy Mac, man. Hardwood King, man. I'm proud of my boy. When I come back to the D, my dude's got businesses, man. I'm so proud. This is my bro. My motherfucking family, nigga. This goddamn fucking first grade, baby. Hardwood King. I remember when this nigga came up with his name. I remember when he came up with the name. I remember the flyers. My man made his dream come true, baby. This is a real entrepreneur, baby. This is my dog. You see these hands? Come on, man. Come on, man. I got to congratulate my players, man. This so beautiful, man. Look, y'all need some work in the D, man. He making Detroit look good. One Florida tank. Oh my God, the classic. Yes, man. Hardwood King. There go the info. There go the info. He's taking all jobs. We're gonna put y'all in right there. Hit them up for the estimates. Hardwood King. There go the number right there. Office 313-460. That's 77560.
Yeah, fuck that. Take this.
Here we go.
Give them all. You all got extra card? Give us a day.
We got it, baby.
Extra card.
Hit them up. My nigga doing this shit, y'all.
Yeah, I said
This is my uncle. Him, my uncle. Rest in peace, Uncle Ray. And his uncle, they've been working together at this shop for years. Need some shop. Need some work done. That's what y'all do. It's family business, baby. Gotta love it. You come back, see stuff done. So, put me some hardwood floors in my Chevy. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all, YouTube. Check me out. I'm back to the Chevy. Getting it going, but I had to plug my boy. Holla at him, Hardwood King in Detroit, doing all work. Appreciate it. Holla at Dollar. You got it. What's up about that girl? Sam? Look.
appreciate you, Pop. Hold on. Did you give me some heat, bro, or no? Cause I'm about to look at these boys right here. Did you give me some heat or no? Yes or no?
Look.
Alright. Oh, these sweet.
It just came out, didn't it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I only look at the high tops, but they're sweet. Okay.
Yeah. I said
I can't hug you because
I
of
want
the
to,
thing.
yeah. I love you.
Okay,
I love you
though.
so much.
Thank you
Look,
so
I'm gonna
much.
do one shot.
Okay, we can with it all, Pop.
I love you. I see you. You fresh.
Oh yeah.
See your outfit. I see your shoes.
Oh, thank you. No, these no. These not the shoes. These are not the shoes.
Oh, okay.
These are not the shoes. Don't you?
But I like the cream. I like the cream jogging pants though.
Oh yeah, these. I like these. Thank you.
Yes, baby. I love you.
Thank you so much. I love you
Happy
too.
birthday.
All right, be safe. All right.
Put that money up.
All right, I am.
All right. Don't forget.
Okay, I promise.
I love you.
All right, I love you
And
too.
I'll call you. And then you know.
Call me when you get to where you going. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Happy birthday, baby.
All right, thank you. Love you.
Love you.
All right, be safe.
All right.